Trip insurance is a tricky subject. I think the main thing to know is that there's trip protection, which is usually what's offered when you check out on a flight on an airline's website, and then there's trip insurance. Generally, trip insurance is a lot meatier and has a lot better protections for the overall trip. Travel protection, I can't categorize it. There could be some good policies, but in general, when you're checking out and buying a flight, you're generally going to pay a premium than if you were to shop it around. So the TPG reader Kathy tweeted asking whether it makes sense. Now, it could make sense to buy it during the checkout process, but I highly recommend always look through your policy, see what they exclude. I'm pretty comfortable saying that most of the time when you check out buying a flight, they're banking on the fact that you don't want to lose the fare and that you're not really going to read through the whole policy, because as we know, airline websites are wonky. So if you take 20 minutes to read through a policy, you're probably going to lose the fare and you'll have to start from scratch. What I would recommend is going to a site, insuremytrip.com. You may get the same price or even much cheaper and get a lot more protection. So it always pays to shop around. So, even right after you buy a flight, you can usually add a policy for a while, so there's no rush. I really recommend comparison sites like insuremytrip.com to make sure that you fully understand what you're buying before you pull the trigger, because there's nothing more annoying than paying for something and realizing it doesn't cover what you needed it to cover to begin with. Any other questions? Tweet me at @ThePointsGuy and make sure you like us on Facebook.